You want to say La ilaha illallah? You're going to be tested. You have to be tested. And don't you dare ask, oh, what's the wisdom behind this? What's the logic? Who are you asking? Who are you asking when you say, what's the wisdom behind the hijab? What's the wisdom behind praying 5 times a day? Why? Who are you asking? Who do you expect a response from? Allah is going to respond to you. And tell you, who are you? Who are you? The pure heart embraces the command of Allah. Yes, there is pain, there is struggle, there is difficulty, there is agony, there's tears, there's blood, there's sweat. But actually all of that, in Islam we call it sabr. We call it patience. And that patience works towards purifying the heart, cleansing the heart, elevating the ranks and the levels of the person. That's what it does. It's not a waste. It's not difficulty gone to waste. It's not blood gone to waste. That's called sabr in Islam. As-sabru ala al-ta'ah. Fa'abudhu wastabir li'ibadatih. Allah said, worship Him and remain patient and firm and steadfast upon His worship. Don't give up until the day you meet Him.